Hey y'all, it's Rob at Z Motorsports. A little quick video on one of my little tricks for using Plasti Dip out of Rattle can. It's a great product, but this will make it spray so much nicer and so much smoother for y'all. It's just amazing, you know, night and day type stuff. Anyways, I've got two cans here. I've got the Plasti Dip Blaze Blue. The Blaze is a much brighter, or yeah, a little brighter. It's not as dark. The one on the right is Plasti Dip blue and black combo. I picked that up by mistake one time, so it's just been sitting on the shelf. Anyways, one thing you should always do is shake your cans very well before you use them. Good 3 to 5 minutes, vigorous shaking. Okay, get the product mixed up. And then what I'll do is I will take the cans and I'll set them in a bucket of hot water. Don't boil it. You don't throw it in the oven. I just use hot tap water. Let it run a minute, let it get fully hot, and then fill a bucket up where it's about half to 3/4 the height on the Plasti Dip rattle cans themselves, and warm that product up. Get it nice and warm. When you're holding that can, it's nice and warm. Let them sit in there for a good 5 to 7 minutes. Should be plenty. Then again, once they've been sitting, you know, that length of time, shake them up again real good. And I've got a couple of test sprays here. We'll see how it actually comes out here. So let's move the camera up a little bit here. All right, now this top one, and hopefully this is focusing up. This is actually just spraying them without shaking at all. And you can see it's very blotchy and it's got some lines in it. We come down to right across through here, and that's shaking it nice and vigorously. But if I can get this thing to zoom in and focus, I was having some problems with it focusing earlier, and it's still not wanting to focus even on my finger. There we go, a little bit. You can see the drop size in it. It's fairly large. Okay, this is just on glass, so it's a nice and smooth surface. But then we move down to this next one here, and this is after soaking it in hot water for 5 minutes. You get a nice, more even pattern. Okay, the droplet size on this comes out just like a mist. Let's see if we can get it to focus up there. And it's not wanting to focus real well, but it comes out just like a nice fine mist. Okay, all of these are one sweep across and back. But it's just amazing how much nicer spray pattern you'll get from not shaken to shaken to heat the can up, and then of course properly shaken. Just such a much smoother. Now if I move up to the Blaze, it's not quite as easy to see. The not shaken, there's just spots and globs all through it. The shaken, it'll spray fine and then it misses, okay, but the droplet size is still very large. But when you get up to, let's see how we do on focus here. When you get up to the upper level here, this is just comes out like a mist. Okay, yeah, I mean, it is just amazing. So anyways, hope this, you know, this little trick helps y'all out a little bit. Heat your cans up. Just put them in hot water for about 5 to 7 minutes before you use them, and then between coats, let them set in that hot water, and you'll get such nicer results out of it. Anyways, y'all have a great day. We'll talk to y'all later.